Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. This video is the extended version of the previous one. There were so many internships available, so I thought why not one more video. There are some paid internships available, some of them are unpaid internships with different locations and some are remote internships, that is work from home internships with different roles. So you can apply accordingly, but moreover that, an internship doesn't matter if it is a paid or unpaid. The main idea behind doing an internship is getting a work experience. So either if you are a fresher, you are looking for a job, just go for an internship that is a paid internship. Or if you are currently pursuing your graduation, you can go for an unpaid internship also because you are getting an experience. So let's jump into the video and let's check out our first internship. First is from the company X Circles. Role is media relations intern. Location is remote, that is work from home. Requirements for this internship are past experience in public relations, press relations or marketing is highly preferred but not mandatory. Strong communication skills, verbal and written, powered by people and action, excellent organization skills, creativity and problem solving aptitude, BSc, BA, MA in public relations, media relations, journalism, communications or a related field. And this is an unpaid internship. That means if you are currently pursuing your graduation, then it's a very helpful for you. It's an unpaid internship. You will get an experience for doing the work in this field. So if you are eligible for this internship, click on the easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. Second internship is from the company WebGrows. Role is social media marketing intern and the location is New Delhi, India. Requirements for this role are knowledge of social media platforms and their USPs for brand communication, should have excellent communication and time management skills. That's it. Only these are the two requirements. So if you are eligible for this internship, click on the easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. Third internship is from the company The Social Talks. Role is human resource intern, that is HR intern. Location is remote, that is work from home. This is an unpaid internship. Duration is 3 months. There is not at all any particular requirement for this internship. All the students who are currently pursuing their graduation or anybody can apply for this internship. After the successful completion of internship, the interns will be rewarded with a letter of internship and a well-drafted recommendation letter depending on performance for their future quest. If you are interested and eligible for this internship, click on this easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. And also share your resume to this email ID nehathakur@thesocialtalks.com and save your resume with the name, your full name .pdf, and in this format share your resume to this email ID. Fourth internship is from the company Code Karo Yaro. Role is operations intern and the location is remote, that is work from home. Duration is 2 months. This is also unpaid internship. This is an internship for freshers or undergraduates. Who can apply? Freshers or undergraduate students who are available for work from home internships. They are available for a duration of 2 months. They are available for 3 to 4 hours every day. Have relevant skills and interest. Perks and benefits are certification of completion, letter of recommendation according to your performance. If you are eligible for this, click on the easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. Our last internship for today is from the company People Gin. Role is sales intern and it's a 6 months internship. Location is remote, that is work from home. Good to have prior 0 to 6 months of sales or business development experience, strong communication and networking skills. If you are eligible for this, click on the easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. And also share your resume to this email ID hr@peoplegene.in. These were the 5 internships available for today. There is one more internship available which is a bonus internship for today. It's from the company 4 People and role is Founders Office Intern Product and Tech. Location is Bangalore, Karnataka. Skills required for this role are, basic coding, back-end or front-end, excited to learn new things and do not shy away from going above and beyond. Quickly adapt to the changing environment and are quick to pick up new skills if required to get the job done. Having an internship experience in a startup is plus. You are based in Bangalore or can immediately relocate. You don't have any other commitments from April to July month because this internship duration is from April to July month. Stipend for this internship will be 25k to 30k, that is the salary of a fresher. If you are eligible for this, click on this apply button. Now fill this application form and submit it. You can find the link in the description and apply for all the roles or any of your desired role. ऑल द बेस्ट एंड if वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फॉर मोर लेटेस्ट जॉब अपडेट्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. If you want more videos for internship, comment in the comment section the word internships.